So I bought an LED kit for my Toyota Hiace Super Custom for all the interior lights. So let's go ahead and switch out all these old incandescent interior lights with LED. I think the first place we're going to start is in the very back. So we have this rear cargo light and those two lights right there. Now there is already a video on YouTube showing how to replace these lights with LEDs, but it's more of like a big LED panel. It's like a big LED panel that fits in and you put an adapter in here and you plug it in. I'm just replacing the actual bulb with an LED bulb. So we got this little guy. We're gonna replace it with an LED version. All right, so this kit has a bunch of different types of LED lamps that you'd find in a car, a Japanese car. So I just need to find the correct ones, which I'm thinking it's gonna be like that size right there. So you'll want to orientate it the right way. So it's got LEDs on one side, nothing on the other, and I believe there's a positive and a negative. So if we put it in there and it doesn't work, then I gotta turn it around. So go ahead and stick that one in there. Turn it that way. Oh yeah, there you go, that's bright. And like I said, you'll want to orientate. If you don't like how bright it is, I guess you can diffuse it up to the top. But I'm gonna go ahead and face it down. And of course this cover just snaps right back in place. And here are the rear map lights. So you get that nice dingy yellow tone. And simply just put a screwdriver in here. Just get the screwdriver in there. Just pop it loose. And these have more of a bulb. So you'll just twist it out. Maybe. Twist it and pull it out. And we have this little LED that matches the same housing. This actually has LEDs on both sides and on the end. And then snap the covers back in place. All right, now we will do the B-pillar overhead lights, these little guys. Those are nice and yellow. Essentially, we will pull this down. There we go, you can pull it out. You get this little wire clip. So you push that in, pull the wire out. This easier, I'm just going to go ahead and unclip this, but you don't have to do that, but I'm going to do it since I'm doing this one-handed. You'll just get in here, push that little clip in, and the pigtail just pulls out of that switch. Now I'll just take my screw gun and undo these screws. You can pull this off, and there it is. It's one of those. So we just need to twist this lamp out. If I can get it with my fingers here, there we go. Pull it out. There we go. And then put the new one in. Now I got that twisted in place. Now I just need to put it back. The holes lined up and screw it in. Oops. Now put your wire pigtails back in place, and then we will, these little clips right here, we'll put those in first. So just position it in there and clip it back in place. Oh yeah. Now I'll move on to this side. The same thing, pull it out. I'm gonna undo both these pigtails because I have a couple car seats in the way. So it would be a lot easier for me just to remove that. For this switch, you'll just push in right there. That comes apart. Then same thing over here, we'll push that in. There we go. Pull these screws out. and replace that lamp. So I went ahead and just removed that old lamp and put the new LED in without recording it. And we'll put it back. The pigtails back in, we'll do the same thing we did on the other side. Put the bottom in first, just snap back in place. Now we will do this one. There we go. Now we have the front door lights. So it's a simple 2 Phillips screws. Oh no. And that is one of those kind. Now this has been on for a while, so that light is burning hot. So I went ahead and just pulled it out. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna blow on it. Let it cool down. And then we'll swap it out. All right, safe to touch. So I got the new one in there. Get it plugged in. Oh yeah, nice and bright now. Try to do this one-handed here. That one was easy. Now we'll go over and do that one. And this one's been on for a while too, so I'll probably have to pull it out and let it cool down. There's the new LED. There we go. There's that one over there. It looks nice and clean. And look, those old ones I just pulled out, like they already kind of broke. Just pulling them apart, just pulling them out, the little end caps came off. And now time to replace these. This one just pulls out pretty easily. Now, I already had LEDs in here from when this was imported from Japan, but they are kind of flickering and they don't work very well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace these with new ones. I had to set the phone down to get those out. They twist out just like the other ones. And then I'll put these new ones in there. And I had to use both my fingers to install these as well. Nice and bright. And there they are. So that was a pretty easy replacement. Now at the very beginning of the video, I showed this kit. And silly me, I did not check to see if there was enough LED lamps to replace all of the interior lights in the Hiace. And so what I had come to find out, kind of in the middle of making the video, is that I only had 4 of the replacement LEDs for the BA9S lamps. And so I had to order another kit. I didn't order the same kit. I just ordered like a pack of 6 just to try them out and to make sure they're the same temperature, the same warmth as the other ones. And so if you follow the links below in the description to do this to your own van, it will not be this kit. It will be a 6-pack of the LED version of this, and then like another pack of the Festoon 29mm LEDs. So anyways, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Be glad to help.